noting that a single judge bench of the Kerala High Court erred in discharging an accused in a case under the Unlawful Activities Act, as the revision petition filed by him seeking discharge had to be decided by a two-judge bench. The Supreme Court has set aside the order and referred it back to High Court for reconsideration. New Jersey's Democratic governor won re-election, albeit just barely, providing some consolation to President Joe Biden on an otherwise disastrous day at the poll, results showed Wednesday. On the first day of the Glasgow Climate Conference COP26, the biggest announcement came from India, ending speculations on whether India will or can make it a net zero pledge. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that the country will reach net zero emission by 2070. The centre on Wednesday slashed excise duty on petrol and diesel by ₹5 and ₹10 per litre respectively, a move that will offer relief to consumers by lowering pump rates and easing price of daily staples for the common man. The United States can now start giving children aged 5 to 11 the Pfizer BioNTech COVID vaccine, US Health Authority and said Tuesday, as they gave final approval to the new phase of fighting the pandemic. India agreed to live another day. They have beaten Afghanistan by 66 runs. They will now need similar massive wins against Scotland and Namibia over the coming weeks. A day after the Income Tax Department provisionally attached property worth ₹1,000 crore allegedly belonging to Ajit Pawar and his close relatives under the Prohibition of Benami Property Transaction Act, the Deputy Chief Minister Counsel Prashant Patil said no property related to him had been attached. Global carbon emissions in 2021 are set to rebound close to pre-COVID levels, and a further rise next year cannot be ruled out. Route transport and aviation return to pre-pandemic levels and coal use is stable, show the findings of the Global Carbon Project, a widely recognized international research project. Circumventing the globe solo in single-engine airplane is as challenging an experienced pilot would balk at. The Supreme Court has said obstructions of SCs and STs by upper caste is a depressing reality, but ruled that fair compromise is reached between the victim and the accused prior to conviction under the SC/ST Act attaining finality. The constitutional courts have inherent powers to quash the case, reports Dhananjay Mahapatra. Shilpa Shetty recently took to her Instagram handle to share a cryptic post about willing change and talked about transformation after her husband Raj Kundra quit social media following his embroilment in the pornography case.